Okay, I'm making this video for Boston Grip on eBay. You had a few questions about how the stitch length mechanism worked, so it's a little complicated, so I figured I'd make a YouTube video explaining it. First, let's turn on the machine. Turn on the machine is here. Right now it's 500 revolutions, but with the speed reducer, it's a fraction of that. So one of the advantages of the speed reducer is you can greatly get the speed of the machine down. So on full pedal, this is as fast as the machine is going to go. And you can obviously slow it down even further. But the point of this video is to show you how the stitch mechanism works. So right now, what we'll do is we'll look at this knob here. This knob is how typically changing the stitch length would work. And if we rotate it, there's going to be a window right here, and the window usually has a number. Right now it's number 8. That means that if this was working properly, you would have 8 stitches per inch. However, this knob is defective and can't be trusted. So the best way to change the stitch length is to open up this cover here. And what you want to do is you want to look for a certain screw on this cam. And this screw is right here. It's going to be a set screw. You don't want to do the screw on the other side. This screw, you want to leave that alone. You want to specifically go to the set screw. You want to loosen this set screw, and there's going to be another set screw below. If you look really closely, there's another set screw down in here, and you want to tighten that screw all the way with this knob all the way in. And that's going to give you the maximum stitch length, which is 6 stitches per inch. So let's put this screw back, and I'll show you that right now this machine is currently going to output 6 stitches per inch. And our example will be with this really heavy duty veg tan leather, really thick stuff. What we'll do is we'll hit the left pedal to lift up the presser foot, and then with the right pedal we will sew and I sewed 7 holes, which means that there's going to be 6 stitches per this inch. So if we take a look with the ruler, and in 1 inch you have 6 stitches. Now let's say you want to loosen that set screw because you want your stitches to be tighter together. Let's say you want 8 stitches per inch or 10 stitches per inch. I believe the highest this machine will go is 14 stitches per inch. So I would not recommend it, because if you're using a machine like this, you're sewing very thick goods usually, and with thicker goods you're going to use thicker thread and you're going to want more spacing. But let's just say that you do want more. So all you have to do is reverse the process we did before. Unscrew the first screw. Take this first small set screw out, and then loosen the second set screw. You're going to see the cam slightly moving when you do that. Give it a couple of turns, and then now we'll replace the top set screw. This top set screw has very little purpose. It's just to hold the bottom set screw in. And now watch what's going to happen once we sew with more stitches per inch. The needle and the presser feet aren't moving as much as they were before, so you can get more stitches per inch. So see how now the holes, the stitches are closer together. And in 1 inch, we'll count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have about 9 holes. So that's going to be about 8 stitches per inch. So that's how this machine works. Very well made machine. And that's it.